Well, I'm just about finished the build of the 78 Firebird. I just have to put the wheels on and the hood and the air scoop. I just wanted to share some thoughts on this. It's a good looking kit, it's a good looking body, it's a good looking car. However, there's a few issues. Just got the bumper, front bump and back bumper on. A day or two ago I put the interior tub in, glued it in place, and then set that for a while to dry. And then when I went to put the chassis on, slide it in underneath, the tub was too far back, and those spots there had to be painted black, and underneath here, over the transmission tunnel, had to be painted black on the bottom of the interior tub. And the interior tub had to be moved forward because when it fit in proper the way it was supposed to, the wheel openings didn't line up and then didn't allow the wheels to go in. So when the interior tub was in originally, it set further back here, and when the chassis went in, the wheel wells wouldn't match up and line up properly. So I had to pull out the interior tub. Fortunately it came out easily. Break off or cut off the little attachment points under the trunk lid and move the whole thing forward. So you'll see here a bit of a ridge. Originally that was under the window line, but I had to move the whole interior tub forward. Then everything lined up, chassis lined up properly, and the wheel openings lined up properly there. Again, there's not a lot of interior detail. I'll insert a picture here of the door trim. It's not very well highlighted. There's not much you can do with it there. They give you the armrest to add in, and that's about it. Of course, as you saw before, all the detail under the hood is molded in, so it was just a matter of painting it. But there is an AMT kit out there that has a lot more detail, separate pieces for all those items, and they can be detailed a little better. Also, when I fitted the hood on and put the air breather, the air scoop on, it was sitting a little bit low. So I'm going to have to, when I glue it in place, I'm going to have to raise it up a little bit so it's showing through the hood. As you can see, the roof panels fit in well. I've got them tinted. I've test fitted the tires, and the chassis and everything seems to be in place properly, but it's riding a little bit high. I'm not going to bother trying to fix that. So other than that, it's a nice looking kit. It goes together pretty well. It's just not a great kit. I am pleased with the color though, how the color has turned out. I used a thin brown wash to dirty up the wheel backs. I dry brushed some acrylic brushed gold paint over the radiator to give it a brass look.